What are you going to do when nobody goes forward?
Okay. And then we have Jay.
Yeah.
Are you going to be tech directing the show?
Yeah.
This is when we have a fade out on Bree in this position.
Okay, got it.
All right, everyone. We have to go back downstairs so we can have a real rehearsal. Okay? You got to rehearse with your props and everything because we got to really figure some stuff out. We're getting there. We're getting there.
Yes, thank God, we're getting there.
We're moving forward, that's all.
No, we're getting there.
A few steps more, and there'll be a few steps less.
And when there are a few steps less, we'll take in a few steps more.
The important thing is that we're getting there.
This beat is going very well. Put it in the fourth wall, make it a reference point, and so that it's very specific and you really see it. And the audience will see it. People might turn around and see what you're looking at.
I like to keep on going and to think that it's right over here. And I see it, and it's great.
Where is anything great? Where is anything so great? You get there if you can. You see what you have to see, and you do what you have to do.
That's what I say. The thing is, I like it.
Good. Right. Yes.
The thing is that I like it.
Can you just step into them so that we see and know where that line is coming from? Just take it back one more time, please.
Actually,
Same
I
place.
was supposed to be on, but I didn't. Okay.
They won't let them get there.
No, they won't.
Don't they ever let them?
Never.
We're here. Our parents and grandparents were here. Our children will be here. And our children's children. And all the children of all the children. They can't go on shooting forever. If they could, it would have been better to have never started marching at all.
The inner monologue is, can you believe this? It's like, can this, buddy, blah, blah, blah. Can you believe this? And then all of a sudden, it's this hubbub in the back. You all can come up with dialogue if you want to create some real dialogue here.
Ad-libbing.
Yeah, but I want there to be, I want you all to be engaged, all right? Here we go.
I invite you all to meditate.
Child, quit screwing around.
We're taking it back to the hubbub, right before the hubbub. Here we go.
The last line.
Right, here we go.
I'm telling.
For the hubbub, I'm sorry.
Before the hubbub or?
Yes, before the hubbub.
Okay.
Yes.
I invite you all to sit down.
This child crazy right here.
I invite you all.
Can the invitations, buddy? We are in no mood to be invited to do anything.
You have to put yourself above the vulgar things in life, but below ambition. You have to put yourself. Hey, are you listening to me? I'm telling you what you have to.
That is the hubbub.
Do with yourself.
No,
I thought we said before the
hubbub is the line that starts the hubbub.
She said to start when we start from her line.
Well, I thought Bree steps in with her.
I invite you all to meditate.
That's my very first line.
We start go back to her first
We
line.
gotta be, I thought that's where we were going.
Yeah,
Okay.
could have
I'm
been
sorry.
talking.
Okay, all right, so Bree, you have to be ready for this. Here we
We'll
go.
go to the top. We'll go to the top.
Yes.
Baby, they don't understand the game. No, they don't. And they ask for the cards when the cards have already been dealt. Like me.
It takes all kinds.
In spite of it all and against it all.
Oh!
Pick on somebody your own side.
Well done.
Good.
I didn't say anything.
What are you gonna do when nobody goes